Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to install a 12-volt battery on your Ioniq 5 or EV6. It's the same install. This is the best bang for your buck, this Interstate battery from Costco. So I'll have the link in the description if you want to do that battery. So let's get started. So first what you want to do is there's actually a little tab here you can pull up to get access to the battery, but we didn't figure it out. So we just ended up taking the whole frunk out. It's only 6 bolts, so there's 4 bolts on the bottom here. They're 10 millimeter. So go ahead and take those out. And then there's 2 more on the top, so 1 on each side. So this one here on the passenger side, and then this one on the driver side. So take those bolts out, and then you can almost remove the frunk. There's one plug down at the bottom of the screen, but you don't need to take that off. Just rotate the frunk 90 degrees towards the passenger side and you can get access to the battery. Take the fuse cover off, and then you want to pull this yellow one up and it pops out, which is the HV fuse disconnect. So we want to cut power to that first. Then we want to go ahead and take off the black or the negative terminal first. This is also 10 millimeter. So remove that terminal and then do the same thing for the red or the positive. Remove this terminal, and then we need to remove the bracket to get the battery out. So this one is a 12 millimeter. Go ahead and undo that and take note of the bracket shape. It's this L shape, and there's grooves on the bottom that link into the battery so it keeps it from moving around. So then take the battery out, and then you just want to reinstall the new battery, and everything else is in reverse order. So slide the battery in, make sure it's lined up against the back of the casing here. Go ahead and put that bracket on, and again, make sure that the little grooves on the underside line up with the battery, and then line up the hole. Put your 12 millimeter bolt into place and tighten that down. And then this picture is just showing you that the bracket is around the battery and the grooves are in place. Now we want to put the red or positive side on first, so make sure you take the red cap off first. I didn't show that, sorry. So tighten the positive or red terminal, then take off the black cap for the negative. Put that on, and then same thing, tighten that down. Once we've done that, and we will put the fuse back in. So push this fuse straight down, it'll pop in. And now your HV battery is good. Put the fuse cover back on. It's just a straight down push. And then now we just need to put the frunk back on. So again, it's 6 bolts. So we're going to start with the top ones, passenger side. So what I like doing is I like starting all of them to make sure everything is lined up and then tighten them down. So here's the driver side top one. And then we're going to do the 4 on the bottom. So 1, 2, 3, and then the last one. And then once you've got them all hand tight, then you can tighten them down once you've made sure that everything is lined up. And that's basically it. So if you have any questions, let me know below, and thanks for watching.